Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get everything they want effortlessly? It's not just luck or chance, it's the power of their words. The way you speak can shape your reality and attract the things you desire most. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how you can use your words to manifest anything you want. By making a few simple changes to your language, you can align yourself with the energy of abundance and success. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a powerful technique that will supercharge your manifesting abilities and help you get what you want even faster. The first step to getting anything you want is to speak with certainty and confidence. When you express yourself with conviction, you send a clear message to the universe that you believe in your ability to achieve your desires. Phrases like "I will" or "I am" are far more powerful than "I hope" or "I wish." By speaking with certainty, you align your energy with the outcome you desire. For example, instead of saying, "I hope I get this job," say, "I am the perfect candidate for this job, and it's mine." This shift in language reinforces your belief and signals to the universe that you're ready to receive what you're asking for. Let's move on to the next key element: avoiding negative language. One of the biggest obstacles to getting what you want is the use of doubtful or negative language. Words like "can't," "won't," or "not" create resistance and block the flow of positive energy. To manifest effectively, you need to eliminate these words from your vocabulary and replace them with empowering statements. For instance, instead of saying "I can't afford this," say, "I'm attracting the resources I need to make this happen." By focusing on what you can do rather than what you can't, you keep your energy high and your focus on achieving your goals. Next, let's explore the importance of speaking in the present tense. To bring your desires into reality, speak as if they're already happening. When you talk about your goals and dreams in the present tense, you create a mental and emotional state that aligns with having what you want. This is a powerful way to convince your subconscious mind that your desires are already on their way. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I am successful." This subtle shift in language helps you embody the energy of your desires, making it easier for them to manifest in your life. Now, let's discuss the power of positive affirmations. Affirmations are a powerful tool for reprogramming your mind and attracting what you want. When you speak affirmations consistently, you're not just saying words, you're reshaping your subconscious beliefs, shifting your mindset, and aligning yourself with the energy of abundance. Every time you repeat a positive, empowering statement, you send a signal to your subconscious mind, reinforcing the idea that you are capable, deserving, and ready to receive the things you desire. Over time, this practice changes your internal dialogue and helps you break free from limiting beliefs that may have been holding you back. It's important to remember that affirmations aren't about wishful thinking or blindly repeating phrases. They're about cultivating a deep sense of belief and certainty in yourself. When you choose affirmations, they need to resonate with you on a personal level. Pick statements that reflect what you truly desire and that feel authentic to who you are. For affirmations to be effective, you must say them with conviction and emotion, as if what you're affirming is already a reality. For example, if you're looking to attract more abundance into your life, a powerful affirmation could be, "I am deserving of all the good things in life." When you say this, take a moment to reflect on what this statement means to you. Picture yourself experiencing the joy, fulfillment, and ease that come with receiving all the wonderful things you desire. Feel the emotions that arise as you imagine your life filled with abundance. Another effective affirmation could be, "I am a magnet for abundance and success." This phrase helps you shift your focus from lack to plenty. Instead of thinking about what you don't have, you start to focus on what is possible and what's already coming your way. When you truly believe that you are a magnet for success, you naturally begin to take actions and make decisions that align with that belief, which helps to attract more of what you want into your life. The key to using affirmations is consistency. It's not enough to say them once or twice and hope for a quick result. You need to repeat them daily, preferably in the morning when your mind is fresh and open, and at night before you go to sleep, when your subconscious is most receptive. The more you say them, the more they sink into your subconscious and start to shape your thoughts, feelings, and actions. You can also incorporate affirmations into other aspects of your daily routine. Write them down in a journal, speak them out loud during meditation, or even place them on sticky notes around your home or workspace where you'll see them throughout the day. The goal is to immerse yourself in these positive statements until they become second nature. As you begin to notice the shifts in your mindset and the way you approach your goals, you'll see that these affirmations help maintain a positive attitude and align your energy with the outcomes you desire. They act as a constant reminder that you are powerful, capable, and worthy of the success and abundance you seek. With each repetition, you are not only speaking your desires into existence, but also embodying the energy of the person who already has everything they want. Now that we've explored how affirmations can help you reprogram your mind, let's dive into another essential component of manifestation, the role of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can cultivate when it comes to manifesting your desires. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge the good things in your life and open yourself up to receiving even more. It's important to be grateful not only for what you already have, but also for what's on its way to you. For instance, you might say, "I am grateful for the abundance in my life and the opportunities that are coming my way." This practice keeps your vibration high and attracts more of what you want. Now let's talk about a technique that can help you maintain the right mindset. As promised, here's a powerful technique to amplify your manifesting abilities, combining visualization with affirmations. When you speak your affirmations, close your eyes and visualize yourself already living your desired reality. See the details, feel the emotions, and experience the joy of having what you want. This combination of words and imagery creates a powerful impression on your subconscious mind, making it more likely that your desires will manifest. Just speak like this, and you will get anything you want. By speaking with certainty, eliminating negative language, using present tense affirmations, and expressing gratitude, you align yourself with the energy of your desires. Remember, your words are a powerful tool for creating your reality, so use them wisely and deliberately. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as promised, start using the power of visualization with your affirmations. It's a game changer in your manifesting journey. Share in the comments below which affirmation you're going to start using today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.